Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is part 2 of the tambour embroidery I'm teaching you. So today I'm working on a silk material. I'm making a beaded pillowcase for a customer. So now I drew a circle of the design I want to do. This is a fabric marker and my tambour hook. So after drawing, I get ready to do my beading. Removing this particular tambour hook, I got only one needles, so I bought them in stock just because of the size of the needle. This is my bead. Your plastic bottles are very useful. You can put your beads. This is my thread I work with. So I drop it in a container below my frame to start working. So I want to start beading with this seed bead. Now I like using seed beads to outline my designs before I can continue. So follow me as I bead through this silk material now. So I pick my thread from the back of the fabric. You're going to see in the next slide where I work from below and from the top, so you can understand how I pick my materials, as in the thread, how I pick my thread and how I pick the bead at the top. So this part I'm notching by going into the loop 2 to 3 times. So I pick my beads to work with, put them in the needles so I can have lots of beads to work with. So I started with 2 seed beads, pick my thread from below and turn my tambour hook so I can bring up the thread. I continue that same way in order to go around the design I drew out all through. Note, this method I'm teaching you is the Indian way of beading. This is their own method, that is Aari beading, Aari method. So I like to teach my students the 2 methods of doing tambour embroidery. So I teach you from the top first, then later on I show you the Nunavut method, that is the French method, like working from the back where you string your beads and do the beading from the back. But this method is from the top, the Indian method. As you can see it, that's the top, above and beneath from back. I wrap the threads under my tips of hand and just work with it. You know, just the way we do the crocheting. To continue with the beading, just pick your thread from below, add your beads, then go down again and pick your thread into the loop. You continue this way to fill it up till you end it at the end of the beading, just to give it a perfect finishing. Please bear with me, I stutter, I'm sure you might have noticed, but do bear with me. I have to explain this for people that like to listen to how the teacher explain how it is done. I don't like to fill up the screen with so much text, so I rather talk. Please bear with me as I stutter. So this is me trying to end it here, but I'm having some issues with the beads overcrowding at the middle. I don't really like it rising like that. I want it flat on the fabric. So I'm going to end up to remove some of the beads since it's not working the way I want to. So I will remove it and create an alternative to make sure the beads are flat. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment. Let's interact under the comment section. I'm open to your questions about tambour beading. I'm just here to listen to you. Any question you have regarding tambour beading, the tools, the material, how to sketch a pattern, I'm here for you. In this channel, you are going to learn different methods and tutorials on how to just move on in learning tambour embroidery. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate you and I look forward to your questions. So I'm about to end the design here and notch it 2 to 3 times, like I tell you, 2 to 3 times to end it, passing in through the loops. So the next video will be on about sequins. We'll be working with sequins in the next video for part 3. I cut off my thread and drop the remaining one below, then use my tambour hook from the back of the beading to bring down the thread at the top. I wrap it around the latch and bring it down as I have a clean finishing. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you all.